Hi, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido. We're boondocking just outside of Kanab, Utah, on Hancock Road about halfway to Mount Carmel Junction, which is the eastern gateway to Zion National Park. Come along with us today as we explore this wonderful area of southern Utah on this episode of Grand Adventure. Now, you folks often like to see the great places that we're boondocking in. So before we go explore the Kanab area, let me first show you around camp a little bit. Situated at an elevation of 5,000 feet, Kanab is a town of 4,500 residents that's home to galleries and cafes, along with the usual assortment of groceries, hardware stores, gas stations, and motels. It's situated perfectly as a home base to explore southern Utah, with the Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument and Lake Powell to the east, and the eastern gate to Zion National Park through Mount Carmel Junction just to the north. To the west, visitors and OHV riders will find the broad sandy expanses of Coral Pink Sand Dune State Park. Now, I've got my best friends with me today, and we're camped only a couple of miles from Angel Canyon, which is home to Best Friends Animal Sanctuary, which is the largest no-kill shelter in the nation. Well, let's go over and check things out over at Best Friends. The nonprofit Best Friends Animal Society's 36,000-acre sanctuary in Angel Canyon, north of Kanab, is home to around 1,500 homeless animals. Best Friends offers free tours of the sanctuary daily, including hands-on time with the animals. The sanctuary's visitor center offers gifts that benefit the society, either for yourself or for your own best friends. Adjacent to the visitor center, you can even have lunch outside in beautiful Angel Canyon, served from a vintage travel trailer. Facilities at the sanctuary include Dogtown, Cat World, Horse Haven, Marshall's Piggy Paradise, the Bunny House, Parrot Garden, and Wild Friends, as well as an animal clinic right on site. Good morning. Here. Oh, have a little grass. Actually, I guess that's alfalfa, huh? Is that good alfalfa? Want some more? Abused animals aren't the only ones who make their home here. This roadrunner's been running around the property the whole time I've been here. These guys managed to avoid the Thanksgiving dinner table this year. Angel's Rest, the sanctuary's final resting place for its animals that have crossed the Rainbow Bridge, is both peaceful and serene. Surrounded by the beauty of Angel Canyon, the musical sounds of wind chimes ring with the slightest breeze. Each marker is evidence of the love we hold for our pets, and a walk through Angel's Rest is truly a moving experience for any animal lover. Yet they've done such a wonderful job memorializing the animals that have passed. So that's going to do it for us for this quick visit to the Kanab area. We're going to head back north to Salt Lake City, so we're going to wrap up this video now. We really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give us a thumbs up down below. And as always, if you haven't yet subscribed to Grand Adventure, please do so, either by clicking right here on the screen or on the red subscribe button on the YouTube page hosting this video. That way you can come along on all of our Grand Adventures, and until next time, remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you soon.